I am going to get this sanded back. It's a shame because whenever you look at it from a distance, it really looks good, but then you get up on it. All of these are chips. It's chipped back there. The gentleman was saying it's been done about 3 or 4 years ago, and this was a boat epoxy that was put on here, and they've taken really good care of it because normally this would be yellowed, so that tells me that they've cleaned it properly and all that good stuff with boat epoxy. Chip back there, and then I've already masked the drain off, but you can see it's chipped all around the drain. I'm gonna fill these chips in and then get some resin that's gonna go down in between that to seal everything off really good, and they'll be good to go. But you can just see all the little chips all over it, and I'll get him a slip resistant coating on here so everything will be good to go. And then I'll fix this chip also. That chip down, that was real smart of me touching that. That's actually lead, so I'm gonna seal all that off. But I'll wash up real good. Normally I have on my rubber gloves, and I'll show the result here in just a little bit. Got the slip resistant on the bottom. Kind of hard to see, but you can a little bit in the light. Of course, re-caulked all around. Got 8 mils thick all the way around the tub. Took care of that chip that was at the back end. Do it from this way where I see it better. Be ready to use anytime after. We're gonna go 8 p.m. tomorrow on this one because I filled in around the drain with a resin.